everyone, welcome back to the lookbook. I hope you all are staying at home and staying safe and keeping yourself occupied. I'm doing the best thing I can to entertain myself, and that is playing with some makeup. So what I'm wearing right now is something light and breezy, perfect for summers. So let's get
First
started.
off, I'm going to take that really pretty pink shade and also that pink shimmer shade to add as a lid topper. It has some golden flecks to it. Then I'm taking this fluffy blending brush. I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids for that nice wash of color and also blend it into the crease. Now this look is going to be really simple and easy to achieve yet super cute. Pink shimmer shade I picked is exactly the same as the matte pink shade, so it's basically going to act as a lid topper. Going back to that matte pink shade, I'm going to pick it on a flat brush and smoke out my lower lash line. Now, while working with some fun colors, I love a super smoked out lower lash line. Now taking this really bright yellow shade, I'm going to pop it on my inner corners and top it off with that yellow shimmer shade. My trusty Maybelline Colossal mascara. Lipstick, I have my favorite, Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD in the shade Magnetic. Now this is such a pretty nude pink shade. That's it guys, I love the way this look turned out. It's super fresh, wearable and perfect for summers.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle will be displayed right here. Meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.